迎大家翻嚟 Red Seal 齊齊煮。By now you should know 我就係 Red Seal。咁 a lot of restaurants and a lot of people are interested in dry aging, so I'm going to try to find out what the hype is around. So I got myself a new toy, which is the dry ager. And my first victim is a duck. Come, let's go. Make 買返嚟個鴨，幫佢沖個涼先。Make sure it's nice and clean。咁洗完出邊啦，要洗埋入邊嘅。有啲嘢係要拎走嘅。如果你喺街市買嘅時候啊，佢都可以幫你清晒入邊啲嘢，但係佢會幫你斬一半。But 為咗 dry age ，we're gonna do everything ourselves。咁沖完涼，洗埋身，咁我哋就抹乾佢。Make sure it's very dry. And after you think he's clean, we're going to give him a salt rub. So this is a really important part because it also marinates the duck and also gives a 類似個防腐劑 because we're going to age it for a few days. Then after that, 我哋會掛咗佢 let it dry out for 10 minutes or so. 咁用鹽醃咗佢10分鐘之後啦 ，we're supposed to put this in the dry ager。咁如果你係冇 dry ager 咧，你可以掛住喺個廚房個窗口隔離嘅，當然要有北風嘅 ，around like below 18 degrees， 你可以吹乾佢 for 3-4 days 都 OK 㗎。If you really don't have either of those dry ager 或者北風啦，我哋就要風乾佢 with 我哋呢啲 portable fan 同埋呢個一齊風乾佢幾日。So after dry aging for a few days, preferably 5 days, I'm going to teach you how to cut the duck. So you see here, the spot, we want to use a knife 咁 cut 落去。Make sure your knife is sharp, and you want to 貼住呢度個骨。跟住反轉佢 ，we're going to do it from this side. Then we want to cut the breast out. 咁你見到呢度啊，有個 the carcass 中間有條線咁啊嘛。So you want to click in like that. You want to slide down. 盡量啊，貼 closer to the bone, so you can make use of the duck. And the same thing here. 頭先啲鴨腳啊、鴨翼啊、鴨頸啊，會同呢個鴨殼會一齊去煲湯嘅，整我哋個 soba noodles。咁呢個鴨胸啦，我哋會用嚟整第二個 dish， 同埋呢個鴨髀啦，就用嚟炸春卷啦。個油溫去到120度嘅時候啊，你可以擺你個鴨髀入去。Around probably 10 minutes, or at least 你見到個鴨髀啦，係會轉到好似金黃色嘅 ，then you know it's right. And 我哋會拆肉啊，先攞個春卷皮 ，it's a diamond shape， 擺你啲鴨肉、青瓜、蘿蔔 and 京葱。第一個我就會用最傳統嗰個酸梅醬。咁其實呢度啲醬啊 ，I have is 三巴醬、雞醬、撈乾媽同埋呢個酸梅醬。其實你咩醬你都可以試下用嘅，係幾得意嘅。You could try and test it. Take this end, wrap this over here. 捲。咁你見到有個三角形啊 ，flip and turn。咁包咗之後啊，可以炸啦。即係個油溫 around 160度 ，or until 你擺個筷子落去係冇泡，跟住攞個春卷 筷子，跟住夾住佢個接口位 ，so 你會定型。哇，炸得幾 handsome！I hope 鴨春卷啦，或者春卷 I made it look easy。咁 you want to find out what I'm going to do next with all the other duck parts? Stay tuned and find out. You guys learn anything from me? 記得 CSL 我啊！